Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog from Riyadh. Getting back on track slowly after a wonderful vacation. Today's video was taken on a weekend. Now, most of you might be knowing this amazing person. He is Mr. Athi, a famous mentalist from Kerala. I am a big fan of him. He performs his mind-blowing shows of mentalism all around the world. So, some moments spent goes in this video. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. So, in the morning when I woke up, my husband told me that his dear friend, his name is Unni, who is in Jeddah, would be landing in Riyadh that afternoon. He is Adi's very close friend. So, I quickly began preparing breakfast for us and then straight away had to start for the lunch. Now, that celery plant that I had kept in the soil before leaving for vacation, I put in some more soil and removed the dried leaves. Some other indoor plants, not sure of the names. I'm adding some grated cognate while grinding the rice for neer dosa. Nowadays I add jaggery to my tea or coffee just to change to the sugar, and it actually tastes good. I'm making black coffee, that's instant coffee powder. I love to have tea and coffee in this clay cup which I took from Kerala. Now while shopping there was only one piece left with the same shape, so I bought only one. Arman in his tantrums. Before the guest arrives, just giving our home some freshness with fragrance. Sometimes I add in only one essential oil, sometimes a blend of many. Preparations for lunch started. I didn't have much time to prepare a lot of dishes as it was already late. So the menu was fried chicken biryani, and for dessert was an instant pudding which I normally make when I have guests coming home on short notice. Making ghee rice for the biryani. I have shown this earlier too. Adding ghee to the pressure cooker, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks. Then go sliced onion. Adding curry leaves for extra flavor. Then goes the rice. All the measurements are below in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Roast the rice for a few minutes, around 5 to 6 minutes. Add hot boiling water. Then some chopped coriander leaves, salt, now this is optional, kevra water. It gives a good flavor to the rice. Then goes lemon juice. Cover and cook on medium-high flame till first whistle, and then reduce the flame to very low and cook for 5 minutes. That's Rehan's creations from Lego. My garam masala was over, so quickly making it. Some cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, cloves, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, black peppercorns, star anise. Now some ingredients are not available, so I usually prepare adding these most of the time. A marinade for frying the chicken. Into a mixing bowl, adding red chili powder as per your spicy level, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder that I had prepared earlier, chopped coriander leaves, some oil. Now I have used the same oil I had used for frying the onions. Some salt. Mix it well, adding little water. Mix the chicken pieces and keep for some time. Now heat a bigger vessel in which you'll be making the biryani. I'm using the same oil used for frying onions. Now fry the chicken pieces. Add curry leaves for flavor. After a few minutes, turn over and cook the other side for a few minutes again. Meanwhile, grinding ginger, garlic and green chilies. You can use green chilies more or less as per your level. I have just shallow fried it, not completely cooked, just 3/4 of it. Add little more oil if you feel it's needed. Now into the same oil, adding sliced onions. Saute till it goes soft. Then goes the ginger, garlic and green chilies crushed. Let the raw smell go. Just cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Then goes chopped tomatoes. Mix for a minute. Add curd and mix. Then goes chopped coriander leaves. Add the fried onions. Keep some for garnish. Mix everything well for 2 minutes and then add the fried chicken pieces. Check salt and add if needed. Then goes coriander powder, some garam masala. Mix together. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then give a mix and cook for another 2-3 minutes. Take out some gravy into a bowl and keep aside. We'll use it while layering. Off the heat and cover. The rice is all done, just separating the grains so that it doesn't stick while layering. On top of the chicken masala, layer half of the ghee rice. Spread some fried onions, some fried cashews and raisins, some chopped coriander leaves, and some gravy we had kept aside, around 2 big spoons. Add the rest half of the ghee rice and repeat. For not to catch at the bottom, I am placing it on a tawa. And cook in low medium flame till the steam comes, or at least 25 minutes. That's homemade papad by my aunt, my mother's sister. There's Unni, the guest for today. After we had lunch, I quickly made a pudding, preparing the cream first into a mixing bowl, adding condensed milk, then goes in fresh cream, mix well. Let it get well blended. Take any cake, here I am using plum cake, slicing it. Place the cake slices in a baking tray, making it the bottom layer. Add the cream on top. Then few more slices of the plum cake and repeat. Now you can add nuts and raisins. Since the plum cake already has got enough nuts in it, I am not adding any extra. You can watch my other video for a similar one. Sprinkling some cake crumbles on top. Drizzling some cream. Rihan had coaching in the evening, so they both had gone for dropping him. That's my Spider-Man with a Superman bag. Now as an evening snack, made onion pakora with hot tea. For the pakora recipe, click the link above on the iCard or below in my description box. I just wanted to have warm turmeric milk. Again, the recipe, if you need, it's there in my description box. Now Athi had arrived late night, so we went to meet him and drop Unni as well to the hotel he was staying over. There's Athi, the mentalist. We had seen him only on media, so meeting direct was really exciting for us. Rihan too is a big fan of Athi. So that's Athi, Unni and Riyadh. He's Adhi's manager, who is more like a friend to Athi. For breakfast, we had gone to a nearby restaurant. It was 9 degrees on that day, really a cold morning. I had Kerala parota and spicy fish curry, one of the best combinations I love. We actually had invited Aathi, Riyadh and Unni for lunch, but since the show was around at 4, Aathi usually doesn't have food before his show. And dinner they had a party from organizers. So unfortunately they couldn't come home. Instead I thought of preparing a sweet for them. So I made bread kunafa. The recipe link is again in the icon above or below in my description box. I made this time giving a little more thickness just to make it rich and even more delicious. Now in shops I have seen them adding mozzarella cheese, but I was not sure of the taste, so while preparing for them I didn't add it. Then I made a smaller one for us to eat after lunch, so for trying the taste I added mozzarella cheese, and must say the taste was mind-blowing. So I really missed out not adding mozzarella cheese in the one prepared for them. That's all packed. Off for the show. It was conducted in Indian Embassy School. It was our first time watching his show live, and I would highly recommend anyone to go watch his show if it's there in your place or country. You will definitely be amazed by his mentalism. He himself has got a YouTube channel where you could just get a glimpse of his works. He is quite active on his Facebook page too.
Connected to you. Someone perhaps a bit personal to you. Only have 2 seconds, okay? Just one chance. Open it to any page and have a look.
After the show, straight to the hotel again to give over them the sweet. We had some good time chit-chatting. Aathi was really tired after the show. On the previous day, he had done a small play with his mentalism that was with Rihan, but I didn't take any video on that. Now, as he was really tired after the show, we didn't want to trouble him more asking another one for a video. Hopefully next time, I guess. But do definitely watch his acts online. It's really amazing.
എല്ലാവരും പേര് എഴുതി മേടിച്ചു.
So that's for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for updates. See you again with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.